Let's finish the DSA series with bit manipulation, where one line replaces entire data structures. The famous opener, every number appears twice except one. Find it in constant space. A HashMap costs O of n space. The answer, XOR everything together. Equal numbers cancel to 0. 0x OR x is x. So the pairs annihilate and the loner remains. One line. 5 tricks like this cover the whole topic. Let's collect them. Definition first. Bit manipulation works on integers one bit at a time using AND, OR, XOR, and shifts. It gives constant time tricks x and 1 tests odd. X and x minus 1 drops the lowest set bit. And XOR cancels pairs, since anything XOR itself is 0. Small toolbox, outsized interview value. Trick 1. XOR, the canceling operator. 3 rules x XOR x is 0. XXOR 0 is x, and order doesn't matter. Single number. XOR the array done. Missing number from 0 to n. XOR all the indices and all the values together. Every present number pairs up with its index, and the missing one's index survives unpaired. Also, swap 2 variables without a temp, and find the 2 singles by splitting on a differing bit. When something should cancel in pairs, think XOR first. Trick 2, the most elegant identity in the topic. N and n minus 1 erases the lowest set bit. Why? Subtracting 1 flips the lowest set bit to 0 and sets everything below it. Andying wipes that whole tail. Count set bits. Loop the identity until 0, iterating once per set bit, not per bit position. Power of 2 check. A power of 2 has exactly 1 set bit. So n greater than 0 and n minus 1 equals 0. 2 classics, 1 identity. Trick 3. Masks. Treat an integer as a set of 32 Boolean flags. The toolkit. Check bit I with n and 1 shifted left by I, set with or clear with and not, toggle with XOR. The power move is BITMASK subsets. The numbers 0 to 2 to the n minus 1 each encode a subset of n items. So you can iterate all subsets with a plain for loop. That's the backbone of subset DP, and a compact scene characters set for words. A set in one integer, with O of 1 operations, that's the pitch. Tricks 4 and 5, shifts and the care they demand. Left shift multiplies by 2, right shift divides, and LO plus high and sign shifted right by 1 is the overflow safe midpoint. The care, Java has 2 right shifts. Double arrow keeps the sign bit. Arithmetic, triple arrow fills with 0, logical. Counting bits on a negative number with double arrow loops forever, use triple arrow. And negatives are stored as 2's complement, which is exactly why minus n equals not n plus 1, and why n and minus n isolates the lowest set bit. Mention 2's complement once, calmly, and you've signaled real fluency. A equals 0, and order doesn't matter. Pairs annihilate. The singleton survives. Now, the mistakes to avoid, straight from the field. Beginner confusing and slash and. Operator precedence, parenthesize, x and 1, equals 0. Intermediate versus on negatives, shifting by at least 32, undefined-ish. Mod 32 in Java. Advanced is POW2 without the x greater than 0 guard. 0 and mine underscore value lie. Missing the mask is set DP idiom. Interview questions on this, rapid fire. Single number? XOR all. Pairs cancel. Count set bits. Kernighan x and sad face x minus 1 per set bit. Power of 2. X greater than 0 and x minus 1 equals 0. Swap without temp. A caret equals b. B caret equals a. A caret equals b. Know it. Don't use it in prod. Missing number 0. N. XOR indices with values. Everything cancels but the missing. And what most tutorials never tell you. Yx and x minus 1 works. Decrement borrows through the trailing zeros, flipping the lowest one and everything under it. and wipes exactly that region. BITMASK DP, e.g. TSP, DP mask, is where bits become an algorithm design tool, not just tricks. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. The patterns promise constant time, zero allocation answers where others reach for hash sets, and the vocabulary for reading real systems code. Here's how it flows on screen. The interview reality. Bits questions are pure pattern recognition. You either know N and N-1, or you derive nothing at the whiteboard. The toolkit is 10 identities, memorizable in an afternoon. Next, mastery equals the check /set /clear /toggle quartet plus drop lowest set bit plus XOR cancels pairs plus bitmask as set, a 32-element set inside one int. Next, where it leaks into everything. HashMap spreads hash bits with XOR plus shifts, ch5. Bloom filters are giant bit arrays, HLDP15. Permission flags, IP masks, compression headers. Bits are how systems pack state. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. Why N-1 works. Subtracting 1 turns the lowest one into 0 and all zeros below it into ones, borrow ripple. Andying erases that whole tail. Same identity powers the power of 2 check and counting bits DP, LC 338. DP equals DP, N and N-1, plus 1. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. The XOR family's recognition queue. Everything appears twice except, or one is missing from a known universe. Variance, 2 loners, LC260, split by the lowest differing bit, diff and minus diff, appears 3 times, LC137, per position counting mod 3. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. This is the same power set as backtracking, CH11, with the recursion replaced by binary counting, a great second solution to volunteer. The set inside an int idea also dedupes scene states in BFS on puzzles. State equals mask of visited pieces. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. Cross connections worth saying aloud. Java's HashMap spreads hashes with H16. XOR mixing high bits into low ones so table index masking, CH5, sees them. Bloom filters, HLDP15, are bit arrays where k-hash functions each set 1 bit. The set/check quartet at gigabyte scale. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Here is the piece that makes the whole toolkit click. How negative numbers are stored, called 2's complement. Minus x equals not x plus 1. Take 12, flip every bit, add 1, and you get minus 12. The top bit is the sign, and there is exactly one representation of 0. Now the elegant part, why x and minus x isolates the lowest set bit. Adding 1 to the flipped bits leaves the lowest 1 bit exactly aligned in both x and minus x. So and them keeps only that single lowest bit. 12 and minus 12 gives 4. And the everyday quartet, with the mask 1 shifted left by I. Test with, and set with, or clear with and not, toggle with XOR. Finally, x and x minus 1 clears the lowest set bit, so looping it counts set bits once per set bit, not once per bit width. That is Kernighan's trick. Now the move that separates strong candidates. Every number appears twice except 2 loners A and B. XOR everything and the pairs cancel, leaving A XOR B. But that is 2 answers mixed together, so how do you split them? Pick any set bit of A XOR B, the lowest one via diff and minus diff. That bit is 1 in exactly one of the two loaners, which is precisely why they differ there. So it partitions every number into two buckets. XOR each bucket on its own, and out fall A and B, because the duplicates still cancel inside their bucket. Order in time, constant space. 1 Java gotcha to name. Byte, short, and char widened to int with sign extension. A byte of -1 becomes all 32-bit set, not just 8. So mask with an OXFF to read the raw byte. And char is in signed, 0 to 65,000. Now, the part candidates ask for most, what real companies actually probe on this topic, based on public interview reports, not official statements. Amazon reported single number and missing number as warm-ups. The O1 space XOR answer versus the hash set answer is reportedly the explicit grading line. Google reported counting bits DP, LC338, subsets via masks, and explain in and n-1, derivation questions, mechanism over memorization. Meta reported XOR family variants, 2 single numbers, LC260, where the diff and -diff partition step is the differentiator. NVIDIA Qualcomm class reported heavier bit fluency, swap odd even bits, reverse bits, LC190, versus semantics, hardware-adjacent roles drilled as hardest. Here is how the same answer is graded, from weak to excellent, so you know exactly what an interviewer is listening for. Question: find the element that appears once, others twice. LC136. Why asked? Instant test of XOR fluency plus space discipline. Weak. HashMap counts. Good. Hash set, add remove. Excellent. XOR fold with the one-line law x caret x equals 0. Walked on 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1. Impress. The variance unprompted. 2 loaners via diff and -diff split. Thrice repeated via mod. 3-bit counting. Red flag. Not knowing why order doesn't matter. Commutativity. Question: count set bits Hamming weight. LC191. Weak. Convert to a binary string and count characters. Good. Check. Each of 32 bits loop. Excellent. Kernighan's in and equals n-1 with a borrow ripple explanation and O pop count. Claim negative input safety addressed. Impress. Production is integer to bit count then popped in instruction. And LC338's DP is DP equals DP and a -1 plus 1. Question: generate all subsets. LC78. Weak. Nested loops that miss combinations. Good. Backtracking. CH11. Excellent. Offers both recursion and 0. 2 caret and -1 mask enumeration with the bit I element I mapping stated. O, n, 2 to the power of n, either way. Impress. Past n is almost equal to 20 both die, and if a DP needs set of used items as state, the mask is the state, BITMASK DP. Your cheat sheet. X and 1 odd, X and X -1, drop lowest X 1I, set, X caret 1I toggle. XOR. Self-inverse plus commutative means pair cancellation. Masks equals sets in an int. 4 in sign shifts. And the memory trick, XOR forgets what it sees twice. Quick check. Every number appears twice except 1. Find it in linear time and constant space. XOR all the numbers together. Pairs cancel because XOR is 0. Order doesn't matter. And what remains is exactly the single number. Quick favor. If this is useful, subscribe and turn on the bell. New videos and daily updates. Everyone 0 to deep. Now the recap. Let's lock it in. XOR cancels pairs, single number, and missing number in one line. N and n-1 erases the lowest set bit, counting bits and testing powers of 2. Masks turn an integer into 32 flags, and BITMASK subsets power subset DP. Shifts multiply and divide, with the unsigned shift for a safe midpoint. In Java, no double versus triple arrow and name 2's complement. And the recognition bait appears twice, or O of 1 space demands, means a bit trick is waiting. That's bit manipulation, And that completes the DSA pattern series. And that's bit manipulation. And with it, the complete DSA pattern series, 20 patterns, every recognition queue, every template. The full write-ups are all in the Code of Aura library. Like, subscribe, and keep building.